Here's our Camino breakfast. Aurora's already eaten the strawberry off the top of hers. Look at that. And a real cup of coffee. Oh, I'm excited. Good morning on day number 4. We have just left the albergue, had a bite to eat, and now we start our trek for the day. It's a short day. We chose to do a short one instead of the 34-kilometer day. We're gonna do 13 or 14 and chill for the night and relax a little bit before we continue on tomorrow. So we'll take you along our day. Day 4 is humid. It rained all last night, so it's very humid out. The breeze is nice, but there's some real dark clouds in the sky, so I'm hoping we make it without getting rained out. I really don't want to put that poncho back on today, and Aurora's way up front. We've got some other pilgrims in front of us. I don't know where they're going exactly, but they're in front of us, and we're just walking by a farm field right now and a little river on this side. Yeah, it's a good day so far. 13 kilometers, 13, 14, something like that. So, short day. We got up late, enjoyed the morning, and we're just going to take our time today. No rush. A massive field of potatoes. They just go on and on. I notice those clouds. Still not happy about them. We have left the dirt path for the pavement, and it started to rain. So we're trying to wait before we put our ponchos on. I hate wearing the thing. So we're gonna just keep walking. Maybe we'll walk out of the rain. But still potato fields in all directions, and a car. It is pouring rain. As soon as we hit the pavement, the rain came. We are gonna stop here for a juice, and hopefully the rain will stop. But we're drenched. Shoes, socks, everything soaking wet. And I'm really hoping this place is open. Okay, it's closed. And all I want is a place to stop and dry off. Oh, there's a washroom right there. Hang on. Aurora, there's a washroom right here. Maybe I'll just dry off in the washroom. Oh my. There's a huge puddle to get there. But at least it's out of the rain. Oh. I've always made friends with another pilgrim that's also getting out of the rain. Oh. Well, it is what it is. The restaurant doesn't open for another half hour. But at that time, we could almost be there. So I'm thinking we might just carry on. We'll see. The rain finally stopped. And now we're just drying off. It's very, very humid. Still looking for a coffee shop. I need an orange juice. Hope there's one here. Cute little town we're walking into. I don't know what's here, but crossing my fingers for a cafe. Cross yours too for me. Well, we are coming into our last couple of kilometers of today before we get to, I think the town we're heading to is Valada? Well, I think that's Valada, something like that. And we're gonna spend the night there before we head farther tomorrow. It's been a tough day. Lots of rain, we're soaking wet. We are completely drenched. Our socks, our shoes, our clothes, we're completely wet. It's stopped now for a little bit, but as you can see up there, the clouds are following us. So we have about 2 kilometers, I think. So I'm hoping we get there and we can have a warm shower and dry off. I think our arrow is behind this sign. Yep. Okay, and it started raining again because I took my poncho off. That's disappointing. We're so waterlogged. We're so done with the rain today. We are just on our hunt, for, look how tiny that is, our albergue. All the cafes have shut down because of the rain. Very cute little town. I'm glad we're staying here. I'm glad we made the decision not to keep going. Aurora's got a very bad blister on her foot. And I'm just tired. We never slept very well last night in our albergue. It was like a room with 8 guys that were biking the Camino, and they were all snoring so loud they kept us up. So neither of us slept very well. So we're kind of dragging today. So I'm glad we decided to take a short day. Yeah, there's a kitty, and I'm sure Aurora spotted that already. We're just here, wrapping up day 4 of the Camino. It was a rough day. It rained and rained. We got drenched, took shelter, and took a lot longer than we thought. We had to stop, dry out, and carry on. But we arrived at this awesome little place. We just had supper back there, and that was our view. It was awesome. A good way to end our day. So we did about, I think, about 14 kilometers. And tomorrow we're looking at about 20. So we're just going to wrap this day up and repack. We just went and did laundry at the albergue we're staying at. It's hanging out to dry, so we have to go get that, put that all away, repack, and get to bed early. We never slept very well last night, so we're hoping for a much better sleep tonight. We have our own room in the albergue we're staying in, so
lots of snoring men.
Yeah.
And farting men.
Yeah. Yeah, it was very musical last night.
Orchestra.
Yeah. So we are going to end today here, and we'll catch you tomorrow for day 5.